2 to go. How much magic does Nicky have left in his picking finger? Let's see. Your turn. Maybe I'll get one. Maybe not. He's closing his eyes, or at least pretending to. Alright, you're getting a little rowdy. Here you go. And you're closer to 1 each time. You're on 1. There it is. Alright. Here it is.
What are you gonna get? What are you gonna get?
Okay. I get more nervous every time. Common, rare, ultra grail. Common, rare, ultra grail. And coming! He's so cute. Look at him. Alright, that's okay because that is just another one that we needed. Loading them up. Alright, rare would be great, right? I mean, ultra grail would always be great, but luck has not been on our side if we look across the empty ultra grail, the empty ultra grail, the empty ultra grail, and the empty ultra grail. So, luck has not been on our side, but we'll see. We have 1 more cube. At this point, the rare for me would be perfect. So we can fill that out. Oh. 751 out of 4,000. Pretty good. Anything sub 1,000 on these is a really great serial. So, there he is, Mr. Adorable Donald Duck, for the only time in his life that he's not angry and yelling at somebody like Goofy. There he is. All right.